Good evening, one and all, and welcome to Homework Help with Miss Briggs. This week I received 4 different questions that y'all wanted to go over. One of the classes had asked for the same question, so I just figured we'd really dive into these 4 and figure out what's going on. So as you can see, part of the, there we go, okay. Part of the staple kind of made that a little bit of a mess, but we can still focus on what the question is asking us here. Which statement correctly describes what will happen to the bulb, okay? So, great. We have our positive wire connected to the bulb. We have our wire from the bulb to the negative side. So let's see what our answer choices are giving us. And go away, little pop-up ad. The bulb will light because electricity will flow from the battery along the complete circuit formed by the wires. It's a complete circuit. I know that the bulb should light because this battery, we go ahead and figure that it's working, that it's not, juiced out. Okay, so it is a complete circuit. So F could be my answer choice. Let me pop over here and let's get my tool. Okay, so maybe dot right here. The bulb will light because the battery will transform electrical energy to light energy. That's not why it lights, okay, because we know it lights since the circuit itself is complete. Okay, so no. It sounds very technical, it sounds really good, but the fact of the matter is we're looking at a complete circuit. The bulb will not light because the circuit is incomplete without a closed switch. No, as we discussed previously, you don't have to have a switch for the circuit to be complete. And we tested out when we did our light bulb with our paper clip that we did at the beginning of that study. The bulb will not light because one wire should connect the bulb to the battery. No, because again, we talked about you have to have your positive and your negative to complete the whole circuit. So, correct answer is F. On to the next. This gumball machine has a coin handle that must be turned when dispensing a product. Which form of energy is used to dispense the gumballs? So, we're looking at forms of energy. If I am turning the handle, that is movement. It is not electrical. It is not thermal. It is not sound. It's movement, which makes it mechanical energy. So that's J. Next question. What process causes electricity to flow in a circuit completing its path so that an electric current can pass through and produce sound? So we're figuring that they have a circuit here. Here's our buzzer. Okay, what is allowing it to flow from the battery? Here's our positive, here's our negative. Okay, why does it get to flow? So our first word is conductivity. Remember that conductivity is a test to make sure that it allows the flow of energy. Okay, insulators stop the flow, conductors let it go. So that very well could be our answer. Again, our little maybe dot there. Solubility. No, we know that solubility has to do with dissolving things. I don't need to dissolve anything to make this work. Insulation. Well, insulation is kind of in the same family, but unfortunately I want to complete the path so electric current can pass through. Because I want it to pass through, I'm looking for a conductor, not an insulator. Vibrations. Vibrations has nothing to do with what makes the circuit work. Our correct answer is F. On to the last. After several attempts to turn on a light using a simple circuit, a student concludes that the circuit must be closed in order for the light bulb to turn on. Is the student's conclusion reasonable? No, because circuits cannot turn on lights. False. You saw that lots, okay? No, because the circuit needs to remain open for it to work. No. Again, we know a closed circuit's a complete circuit. An open circuit is out of its mind. It's not going to work, okay? Yes, because all conclusions are correct. False. Not all conclusions are correct. Sometimes people say crazy things, just like when I told you guys, you have to have your evidence. Just because I say the sky is green doesn't make it true. No. Okay? Yes, because circuits must be closed in order for electricity to flow through them. Yes, closed is happy. Open is sad. No electricity. Okay? So that's all we've got for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Keep working at that homework. You guys are doing really awesome. And don't forget that we have a major lab tomorrow. We're going to be exploring more with our concept of light. In the meantime, feel free to comment or post and let me know how things are going. See ya!